Welcome to our exploration of the exciting advancements that lie ahead in the world of commercial aircraft. The aviation industry is constantly evolving, and in this video, we'll delve deeper into some of the key innovations that will shape the future of air travel. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's take off into a world of possibilities. Sustainable propulsion. One of the most crucial focuses of the future is sustainable propulsion. Did you know that the aviation industry contributes to approximately 2% of global carbon emissions? But fear not, we're moving away from traditional jet engines and embracing electric and hybrid electric propulsion systems. Imagine aircraft powered by electric motors, emitting fewer emissions and reducing our carbon footprint. Electric aircraft have shown a potential reduction of up to 80% in carbon dioxide emissions during short-haul flights. Additionally, hybrid electric engines provide a cleaner alternative, while maintaining the power needed for long-haul flights. It's a win-win for both passengers and the planet. Supersonic speeds. Hold on tight because the future of air travel will take us back to supersonic speeds. Did you know that the legendary Concorde, the world's first supersonic passenger aircraft, could cross the Atlantic in less than half the time of traditional jets? Supersonic aircraft will cruise at speeds exceeding the sound barrier, enabling us to reach our destinations in record time. Long-haul journeys will become shorter, making the world feel smaller and more accessible. Advanced materials. The aircraft of the future will be constructed with revolutionary materials, such as advanced composites and lightweight alloys. These materials have exceptional strength-to-weight ratios, making aircraft more efficient and environmentally friendly. Aircraft manufacturers estimate that using advanced materials could result in fuel savings of up to 20% and reduce CO2 emissions by approximately 15%. It's a significant step towards a greener future for aviation. Autonomous flight. Automation will revolutionize the cockpit, introducing us to the era of autonomous flight. Did you know that autonomous systems have already been successfully tested in the aviation industry, showcasing their potential for the future? Futuristic cabin designs will prioritize passenger well-being, offering personalized seating configurations and interactive entertainment systems. Alejandro Núñez Vicente designed the Chase Long double-level airplane seat concept. Virtual reality technology will transport us to new worlds, making flying a truly enjoyable and immersive experience. Flying with alternative energies. The future of aviation will embrace alternative energy sources, further reducing our carbon footprint. The need to shift towards power-to-liquid, synthetic fuels, which involves using renewable energy to produce hydrogen via electrolysis. This renewable energy will then be used to power aircraft, paving the way for a sustainable aviation industry. The focus is on developing the required ecosystem and technology to enable aviation powered by renewable energy, highlighting the belief that renewable sources will drive aviation in the future. And there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting advancements that await us in the world of commercial aviation. From sustainable propulsion and supersonic flights to autonomous systems and futuristic cabin designs, the future of air travel is indeed thrilling. As we soar into the future, let's remember that innovation knows no bounds. The journey ahead will be marked by progress, creating a greener, faster, and more comfortable flying experience for all. Bon voyage to the future of air travel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.